What if the universe had an eject button? Imagine falling into a black hole and waking up somewhere else, someone else, before you ever jumped. A place where the sky is the wrong age, the stars don't match your memory, and time itself feels like wind on your face. That impossible doorway has a name whispered in physics: a white hole. A white hole is the time reverse of a black hole, where a black hole swallows everything light matter. Even the idea of escape. A white hole does the opposite. Nothing can get in. Everything only comes out. It's like a cosmic volcano, forever erupting, never accepting a single grain back. The equations of Einstein's relativity allow such a thing, mirrored across the arrow of time. But math is generous. Nature is stricter. We have never seen a white hole, and yet the possibility lingers. To understand how a white hole could throw you back in time, we have to walk through the shadowland between space and time. In the simplest picture, a black hole on one side and a white hole on the other can be linked by a tunnel called an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Fall in here, blast out there. It sounds like a perfect escape, but there's a catch. The bridge collapses. Too fast to cross. The tunnel pinches shut like a trap door before anything can get through. It's a path the universe sketches in theory, then immediately erases in practice, unless something holds it open. The idea is almost science fiction, exotic matter with negative energy. The strange kind that quantum physics hints can exist in tiny, flickering amounts. With enough of it, a wormhole might be stabilized. If one end were a white hole mouth, the tunnel wouldn't just take you elsewhere, it could, in principle, take you elsewhere. Move one mouth fast, let it age less through relativity, bring it back, and you create a time offset between the two ends. Step in through the older mouth, step out of the younger one, and the universe has just told your story out of order. But here, the universe may push back. White holes, if they exist at all, look violently unstable. A single stray particle trying to approach would be blue shifted to furious energy, choking the white hole immediately. Negative energy seems delicate to engineer at scale. And there's a deeper whisper in physics called chronology protection. The suspicion that reality quietly prevents true time machines from forming, sealing paradox before it can bloom. Still, there's another path in the dark. Some researchers imagine black holes don't end in a final crush but bounce, like a compressed spring, re-expanding as white holes after an unfathomable time. From outside, that rebirth could take longer than the age of the universe. From inside, it might feel like a heartbeat. If so, the white hole wouldn't send you into the past, it would fling the information of what fell in far into the future, turning graveyards of stars into seeds for tomorrow's light. So, could a white hole throw you back in time? The honest answer is that the door is mostly closed, jammed by instability, guarded by energy we don't know how to tame, and perhaps locked by the laws of cause and effect themselves. And yet, the key idea it leaves us with is profound. Time is not just a river carrying us one way. It is a landscape with canyons and bridges and forbidden paths we can almost see. Even if no traveler ever tumbles out of a white hole into yesterday, the thought reshapes us. It reminds us that we live in a universe where the impossible is often only a hair's breadth from the real, where every star, every shadow, and every second carries the echo of a deeper mystery, waiting for us to ask the next brave question.